for this video, we will be doing a more or like a revamp of my first ever YouTube video that I have uploaded here on my channel. And if you wanna know how to edit Instagram pictures using the Lightroom app, and of course the basics of Lightroom, mga common lang, then how to apply the presets and how to tweak it. All we need to have is a Lightroom app, of course, and I think most of us have this powerful photo editor. And disclaimer lang, I don't have a perfect Instagram feed or photos. I just want to share it with you because in this way, you'll be able to know where to find free Lightroom presets and of course, how to tweak. Have the same sentiments. When I started with Lightroom, yung ano kasi, pag ang ganda ng preset, and then when I applied it onto my photo, parang, bakit reality versus expectation? As time goes by, meron akong mga na-learn. No, could also help you if hindi nyo pa to alam. Let's start! Mga YouTube channel na merong free presets, Lightroom presets, and that is the Reina Marie, Pen, Mark Tutorials, and Lightroom Classroom. Ay, yung mga Lightroom presets nila with passwords. So, all you need to watch the whole video and then magpa-pop up lang yung password on the screen, and then that's the password you will use to unlock the preset. And for Lightroom Classroom, nandun siya sa Facebook, limited siya. Hindi ako masyadong kumukuha dito, but if you want, you can check it out. Meron silang parang tutorials doon to how to make a preset. So, let's start. I'm just gonna move a little bit so I can just put the screen recording over here. I'm gonna show you a sample. This is Reina Marie's YouTube channel, and as you can see, ang dami niyang magandang preset. So you can really choose a lot of presets. What I downloaded is the BLanca preset. So I'm just gonna show you how to download this one. And of course, if you don't like this preset or if you like other type of preset, then you can watch the video so you'll know how to tweak it and how to download it if you don't know how, of course. And so magpili ka na lang ng ibang preset. So since I've already downloaded the preset, so that means I already watch the video. So the password will pop up on the screen, and then once you found the password, click on the description box and then scroll down and you'll find download presets. So you'll find the links here where to download the preset. Then I'm gonna choose fast drop it, and you can also choose the other one, and ito lang yung nabili ko. So open and then wait for it to load. You'll be directed into this type of page. So parang access your password, protected Dropbox file. So you have to enter the password. And I am sorry, I have to blur this out of respect sa nag-upload or owner ng preset. For if gusto nyo to na preset, just watch the video. Meron naman doon. And it's a few minutes to watch lang naman. So, and then you'll be directed, file name, Reina Marie, BLanca.bng. So, yan ang file ng mga preset.bng. So, download. Once you click the download icon, ito yung makikita nyo na page, yung Reina Marie BLanca.bng. So, all you have to do is click more. Find Lightroom. So, ito, nakita ko na Lightroom. If hindi nyo makita dito yung Lightroom, all you need to have is click more, and then hanapin nyo na lang dyan. So, Lightroom, click Lightroom, and then merong magpa-pop up na the shared photo will be imported to the next app launch. So, click nyo lang launch Lightroom now. So, since I already downloaded it, so hindi ko na lang ilo-launch. So, next is open natin yung Lightroom app. Kita nyo naman yung file if merong DNG sa upper part. So, once DNG yun ang file, that's BLanca. And then, eto, makikita nyo sa top right, merong 3 dots, click that one, and then create preset, and then click all the box, click all box, check all box, and then write yung preset name niya gusto nyo. But for me, I already saved it. First, I'm gonna use my own photo, throw it to your right, and then on the last part, you'll see preset, you have to click that one, and then you can see that I have already saved the BLanca preset by Reina Marie. So click the BLanca preset and then click the check mark, and then if I am not yet, parang hindi ako contented, all I need to do is, change the color, click the color, ito color, and then increase the temperature a little bit. So, increase ko lang yung temperature para para mag-warm siya. So, ito yung before and then after. So, next is this photo of mine. Ito yung parang sunset photo. So, let's try applying the BLanca preset. So, as you can see, yung before niya, mas maganda pa yung sunset kaysa after. So, hindi ko masyado gusto. So, let's try tweaking this. So, this is a challenging photo. For me, challenging photo to edit. So, I have to decrease a little bit the exposure, or hindi ko na lang lagyan ng exposure, and then the contrast. Like, para dito sa lower, niya, mag-lighten siya a little bit. Hindi siya parang very sharp. Decrease the highlights. I'll decrease the highlights down to its maximum level of. Increase ko yung shadow para naman makita ako. And then, decrease ko yung white para makita yung yung background sunset. Kasi pag in-increase mo yung white, as you can see, mag-white siya. So, decrease mo yung white, and then increase yung black para naman hindi siya masyadong dark. Yung mga black kasi, yung mga dark colors in your photo, siya, magla-lighten. And then, I'm just gonna click color, and then increase the temperature a little bit, and increase the tint. Increase ko na lang yung tint. And then, increase a little bit the mga 36 na lang. Diyan na lang. And then, eto na. Mix. So, this plays a big part. Ito yung mga nakikita nyo parang nagiging teal yung clouds or your sky. Yung nag-iiba yung color, parang mas nag-pop up yung color sa dito. Isa ito sa nagpapaganda. Yun ba yun? Basta yun. And then, I'm gonna decrease the saturation just a little bit for this orange one. And then, that's it. So, this is the before, and this is the after. So, eto, challenging to siya na photo. If I don't like this one, that is the reason why I have plenty of presets downloaded. Kasi pag hindi ko to gusto, kasi parang pag may sunset, ito yung gustong ginagamit ko, si Venten one. Kasi hindi siya masyadong yung sunset, hindi masyadong nagagalaw yung lang, surrounding. So, na-maintain pa rin yung parang ganda ng sunset. So, I'm just still gonna use the BLanca preset. Decrease ko yung exposure, color, increase the temperature. Increase ko yung temperature para yung skin niya parang brown, yung warm. For these photo presets, you still use BLanca, and I really don't like parang nagiging siya dry for me. So I'm just gonna lighten it a little bit, increase the exposure, decrease the contrast, decrease the highlights, and then decrease the white, increase yung black, and then the temperature, i-increase ko siya ng konti. Saka yung tint. Ito ang before, and this is the after ko. So, last one is this photo. So, let's check. And as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. And ito siya yung example na parang pag-apply ba yung preset. Because it depends on the equipment that we use, the lighting, and the quality of the photo. So, all you need to do is increase the exposure, and then decrease the contrast kasi gusto ko yung parang mag-soft yung photo, overall photo, then decrease the highlights, then increase the shadow. And then, decrease mo yung white, increase mo yung black para yung mga nag-dark areas, mag-lighten siya. And then, click color, and then increase a little bit of temperature. You can increase a little bit of temperature. And then, this is the tip that I would like to give you. If you want to adjust the color of your skin tone, di ba, meron preset, pag nag-apply kayo, yung skin tone nyo nagiging super pale, or nagiging pale, or super dark na oversaturated na brown. Ano ba yan? Yun. So all you need to is click this orange one and then decrease the saturation. So as you can see, if you decrease the saturation, nag-iba yung skin nyo. If you want to have parang glow, increase the luminance. And then, pero parang hindi siya masyadong over-edited. So yun, minimal lang yung pag increase or decrease. So this is the before and this is the after photo. And of course, I would like to thank my friends for allowing me to use their photos for this video. Thank you so much. Shout out to these wonderful people who left comments and kind words to my previous videos and in other social media accounts. Thank you so much for featuring my common misconception about rabies or my previous video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts and leave love, leave a comment. Bye! See you on my next one.